Hi folks, welcome to College Algebra. I'm looking forward to this semester with you. This video will give you a brief introduction to using the course in Canvas and especially how to access your assignments and textbook on WebAssign. So each week when you come to the course in Canvas, you'll either be on the syllabus page, that's this page, and every week you want to make sure that you're keeping up with what's happening in the syllabus. You can click on this link right here and it will show you the syllabus in PDF form. I want to make sure that you're aware that every week you are going to want to go to modules and then scroll to the appropriate module for the appropriate week. And you'll notice that most weeks there will be an assignment and a quiz. Occasionally there will be something different, either a midterm or a final. And 4 times during the semester you will have a discussion board. Discussion 1 is in week 1, but it's simply a class introduction. So introduce yourself to the class. That's an easy 25 points. So what you're going to do to access the assignments is to, for instance, in Module 1, Week 1, you will click on the Week 1 optional assignment, which by the way is worth up to 30 points, and those will be bonus points. That's why it's optional. So I click on that and you'll notice that it has a box that I would click on to load it in a new window. So I click on that and it will pull the assignment up in WebAssign. Your WebAssign page might not look exactly like mine, but I have mine in student view, so hopefully it'll look very similar. So what you do each week when you want to access an assignment on WebAssign, this is what WebAssign looks like. You will click on the assignment and then just answer the problems. Now, it's important to realize that you have access to the course textbook on WebAssign. So if you'll notice on this main screen, on the bottom right hand part of the screen, here it says about this class, and you'll notice there's our textbook. You don't have to buy a textbook because you have automatic access to the textbook through WebAssign. You also have it through the Canvas course, but I find that the access through WebAssign is much better because the textbook's easier to handle. So we click on this and it will pull up the textbook online interface. So each week when you have an assignment, first you'll want to read the corresponding section and look at the example problems and maybe work a few problems to make sure you understand what's going on. For instance, in week 1 we're looking at chapter 0 here, a review of basic algebra. And you're looking at sets of real numbers. So I'd click on that chapter and then click on the sets of real numbers. And then of course I see my textbook here. I want to zoom in so I can understand, so I can read it better. And it tells me about what's in this section and how I go about doing that. So this is how you access your course textbook and your assignments on WebAssign. Of course, if you have questions, just email me. I'll be glad to answer them. And it is not uncommon at all that a student will have a problem. They just can't get a solution to it, and they ask me to construct a video for that problem specifically. Don't hesitate to do that. I'm always here to help. So I hope we have a blessed semester together, and please let me know if you have questions.